How to fix can't find someone on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix someone on Instagram or fix disable Instagram account. If you cannot find someone on Instagram, it could mean that they've either changed their username, deactivated their account, made their profile private, or blocked you. So it could also mean that what you could do is you could double check the username. You could try searching from a different account or contact the person directly in order to confirm their status. If your own Instagram account is disabled, you could try logging in and following on the on-screen instruction to appeal the decision or contacting Instagram support for further assistance. Or else you could try creating a fake account and you could search for the name. You should be able to find it out. Or else you could also you could also consider if the person might have made the profile private, which would prevent you from seeing the post unless you follow them. It could also mean that you must have actually mistakenly blocked the profile, and it can be the issue as it can be the reason as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.